These prep-ahead pumpernickel bagel bombs are delectable, not to mention freezable and easy to eat on the run. We're mashing up two classics today, a pumpernickel bagel and creamy vegan warm spinach dip for an on-the-go breakfast, lunch, or snack that'll get you out of bed in the morning. Now it's time to kick off the first episode of the Back to School Breakfast series. Let's go! To make the vegan spinach dip, you're going to combine vegan sour cream, vegan mayonnaise, chopped spinach, vegetable broth powder, hot cherry peppers, lemon juice, sea salt, and ground black pepper into a bowl. Stir it up until it's really well combined. Scoop heaping tablespoons of the spinach dip onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Now place the baking sheet in the freezer to chill for at least 1 hour until these are solid. To make the pumpernickel bagel dough, use a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment. To the bowl, add bread flour, dark rye flour, Dutch processed cocoa powder, caraway seeds, quick rise yeast, fancy molasses, sea salt, vegetable oil, and warm water. Start the stand mixer on low, and once the flour starts getting mixed into the wet ingredients, gradually turn the speed up to medium-high. The dough should come together and clean the sides of the bowl. Place a damp tea towel over top of the bowl and let this sit for 10 minutes. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface. You're going to work with the dough in 2 batches, so first knead the dough 8 to 10 times on the floured surface by hand until covered in flour. Divide the dough into 8 even pieces, about 66 grams each. For this recipe, I'm going to say it's best to weigh these for accuracy. Roll each piece of dough into a ball, and then flatten the balls with your hand and use a rolling pin to gently roll them into a 3-inch flat round. Now place a frozen spinach dip disc into the center of each and pinch to seal the ends tightly, almost like a dumpling. If the fillings spread out too much during freezing, just cut it up into cubes and assemble them inside the dough like this. Place the dough balls seam side down onto another parchment-lined baking sheet. Now in a pot, bring about 6 cups of water to a boil, add baking soda and 2 teaspoons of molasses and stir it until it's well combined. Then using a slotted spoon, drop 2 or 3 balls of dough into the boiling water and boil for 30 seconds until puffy. Remove them with the slotted spoon and place them back onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. Sprinkle these with sesame seeds and repeat with the remaining bagel bombs. Now you'll bake all of these for 20 to 22 minutes in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Some filling might leak out, but that's all right, and tasty. Look at these delicious pumpernickel bagel bombs. If you're looking for the instructions on freezing and reheating these, be sure to click on over to the blog with the link in the description. This is just the first episode of the Back to School breakfast recipes, so stay tuned for more scrumptious stuff next week. Okay, if you want to look cool going back to school, Sorry. Anyway, I'm having a big summer sale on hotforfoodblogshop.com. All of August, it's buy one item, get one item 30% off. So you can do the Noochcott shirt and a Hot for Food tote for your books, or whatever combo you like. Head on over to the website linked below. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe, because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.